This video shows how to buy shares of Houlihan Lokey Inc. and explains the key steps to purchase HLI stock. Houlihan Lokey is an independent investment bank focused on M&A and restructuring, and it trades on NASDAQ under the ticker HLI. This is an educational walkthrough and not financial advice. Please do your own research. You will need a broker to trade, and I use eToro as a neutral example to show the process. After signing up, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and then add funds to your account before buying. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker HLI to find the stock. Confirm you have located the correct Houlihan Lokey listing on NASDAQ before proceeding. Open the asset page to review basic company information and the price chart. Double-check the name, exchange, and ticker to confirm this is the correct stock. To invest, click the Buy or Trade button. Choose how much you want to invest, then review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, your order may execute when it reopens, and if your funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. Your new position will appear in your portfolio after the order is processed. For convenience, the eToro link is in the description if you want to visit the platform.